TV KPM.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera kepada semua calon STPM 2021. Apa khabar? Seperti biasa, anda sedang menonton Sukses STPM 2021 bersama saya Syamira Nazir. Hari ini kita akan sama-sama belajar dan fokus pada mata pelajaran Matematik M Kertas 3. Tapi sebelum itu, ayo kita berkenalan dengan seorang guru yang sangat hebat dan berpengalaman. Nak tahu siapa beliau? Jom kita saksikan profil guru. Wah, itulah cikgu kita untuk hari ini, Cikgu Zainariah. Assalamualaikum, Cikgu.
Assalamualaikum, Mira.
Apa khabar, Cikgu?
Alhamdulillah, sihat.
Ya Allah, Cikgu manis senyumannya hari ini, Cikgu. Baik, Cikgu, hari ini Cikgu akan fokuskan bagi Matematik M Kertas 3.
Ya, betul.
Apa M tu sebenarnya, Cikgu?
M stands for management.
Oh, management.
Yeah.
Matematik management untuk Kertas 3 untuk hari ini, Cikgu. Baik, Cikgu. Dan untuk hari ini, apa yang Cikgu nak fokuskan kepada pelajar-pelajar di rumah sana?
Okay, today we'll be doing a revision on the STPM Mathematics M paper 3. Okay, and we will be doing by solving questions from the ulangan 3 STPM 2014.
Okay.
So make sure the students get hold of the paper.
Okey, Cikgu. Kalau macam tu, Cikgu dah bersedia?
Sudah.
Dan saya yakin murid-murid di rumah pun pastinya sudah tak sabar nak belajar lagi untuk hari ini. Jadi silakan, Cikgu.
Okay, thank you, Mira.
Welcome.
Okay. So I'm Cikgu Zainariah binti Abdullah. Okay. I'm your Mathematics M teacher for today. As I mentioned earlier, we'll be doing a revision by solving solutions from the STPM Ulangan 3 2014. Okay, let's start by getting to know the format of paper 3. Okay, so notice that all the questions are subjective and bilingual. Students are required to answer in 1 hour 30 minutes, and they are allowed to answer either in English or BM or both. Okay, consists of 2 sections. Okay, section A, 45 marks, 6 questions, answer all the 6 questions, compulsory. And section B, 15 marks, there are 2 questions, but students must need to answer only 1 question. Okay, I repeat, 1 question. So my advice is, when you do your revision, when you practice answering, try to answer roughly about 8 to 10 minutes per question for section A and 20 minutes for section B. This will leave you about 10 minutes to check your answers. So all the questions are based from the 6 topics, okay? And in section 1, each question will be asked from each topic. And for section B, any 2 from the 6 topics, okay? Next, students must also get to know the formula given in the question paper. Okay, notice that only formula from topic 1, this is topic 1, and topic 5 are given in the question paper. Okay, so students must be able to identify the symbol used and also identify this formula not given in the question paper. Okay, now the first topic that we need to revise is the linear programming. So always check for the instruction here. Use graphical method, meaning that you have to use a graph paper. Determine means you have to find all the values of x and y such that it maximizes the z function. This is the objective function. And look at the constraint. There are equal signs, means that all the lines drawn are bold lines. So this is the graph paper. Make sure you draw on the graph paper. Choose a suitable scale such that it covers half of the graph paper. So draw the lines, draw the visible region, shade, you can shade or do lines. And then identify the objective function. Okay, such line is very important that you must state on the graph paper. And then shift the line, see any integer points that give you the maximum z functions. We have 3 points there. Conclude your answer. Okay, most students did not conclude the answer. Then, besides graphical method, students can also must know also the simplex method. Okay, so simplex methods here, for example, give a reason, fine. So make sure you know how to give the reason. Here, just use the word since. Okay, so indicate that there is a negative entry in row 1 under variable x1. Okay, so how to get the optimal solution? Find the pivot element. So how to do the pivoting? We divide all the elements in the pivot row with the pivot elements and try to get zeros in the pivot column. So use the row operation there. Okay, tada! We have the optimal solutions. Okay.
Yes.
So how do we read this table? So we look at columns with 0 and 1. So we have zeros and 1 only. So from here we can conclude, okay, 1, x1 is 1, x2 is 1, s1 is 2, and p is 11. So the one without zeros and 1, we must two conditions, 0 and 1. So the values are 0. Okay, this is how we apply the simplex methods. Okay, so read the question. What is the instruction? Use graphical or use simplex. Okay, I think that's all for the first part.
Maksudnya, cikgu, bagi setiap jawapan yang pelajar lakukan, mereka haruslah conclude.
Yes.
Untuk jawapan mereka.
Yeah.
Sebab mungkin ada setengah pelajar yang terlupa untuk buat conclusion di situ, kan cikgu? Untuk rumuskan di situ.
Yeah.
Selepas ini saya nak tanya kepada cikgu, bagaimanakah tips untuk pelajar dapat skor bagi kertas ini? Tapi kita berhenti berehat seketika, kita kembali selepas ini. Jangan ke mana-mana.
Didik TV KPM